In this video, I'm going to implement markers right before about 3 years ago. Is I want to write them of logic into a reactor hooks, and the code I read before is the time when I was a freshman in my last job, the Great Depression of the industry. My last job with the Great Depression of the industry, I read this demo. I built this demo for fun, and I renamed the project name Wife's Lame. Yes, I thought that was a little romantic maybe, and I am just too lazy and to do easy to continue this project. This project was built with Vue. The above code was I built 3 years ago. I built 3 years ago. The above code I built 3 years ago. Right. And I want to reuse the logic. Please help me to refactor the code. Make it can be used integrated. There is a int arrow. The shortcut to switch to the Explorer will int arrow. The shortcut to switch to the Explorer will direct to the composer. Switch to the Explorer will direct to the composer. Just wait a minute. That's the first time terminology. I don't. I think the time I was just and I think the time I was just about the time that's the first time build editor, and there are a lot of terminology I don't know, and I just think the timeline was just about the time markers. So the layman uh, about the coding is very it's not a small issue. I think 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 it's not a big. I think the timeline was just about the I think the timeline was just about the time markers. So the layman about the coding is very it's not a small issue. I think not a small issue. It's not a small issue. I think yes. When I read the code that I read before, it's a little confusing. A small issue. I think yes. There may be some mistakes and there may be some mistakes and use time markers. React hooks. The wrong terminology. The wrong logic. Could you just help to clear these arrows? And help me integrate the hook into into describe the maybe I don't describe the things I want AI to do correctly. Maybe I don't describe the things describe the things I want AI to do correctly. Maybe I don't describe the things I want AI to do correctly. And there is no markers, it's just a bunch of lines, vertical lines. I would rather to choose the AI UI of the AI Paint.